What is up, guys, and I'm back with another video today. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing a very special package because this package contains an iPad that I've bought for, I think it was $52 actually. I'll put that in the video if that's false, but yeah, I bought that on the Switzerland market Ricardo for that much. And yeah, so what you need to know about this iPad is it's basically a second gen iPad Air. It has 64 gigabytes of storage and is on iOS 8.1 point something. I can't remember exactly, but we'll find that out in a minute once we have unboxed the package or the envelope. So I'll start by flipping over the package. So it's sealed with tape. I'll just take this off. Okay, so we have busted the seal open. Oh yeah, that's an iPad there. I'll get this out. And there it is itself. I'll put away the envelope for my own things that I'm gonna sell. I'm just gonna pack them there. And as you can see, the iPad is in a pretty rough shape, I'd say. I forgot to mention it has some cracks on the top right screen, as you can see there. It's not that bad. Well, actually it is, but I can just replace that. That shouldn't be an issue for me. And other than that, the iPad's bottom half looks to be immaculate, and the back as well, just some scratches on the Apple logo, but other than that it's in really good shape. So also what I have forgot to mention is that this iPad has touch IC issues, so it has ghost touch issues. I'm not sure if that's actually the case, but we'll check that in a minute. So I'll just turn on the iPad actually like this, and we'll wait for it to boot. Okay, so as you can see, the iPad has booted into what looks like iOS 8 to me, and I can immediately recognize that this is iOS 8 because of the font and the wallpaper. And it also looks like the seller has used this iPad in French, so this came from the French side. So I'll just slide to unlock it, and I can immediately tell this is below iOS 8.3 because of the music icon that should be white-ish, I think, on iOS 8.4 and above. Just like this. So it should look like this if it's on 8.4 or higher, but it appears to be it's on 8.3 and lower. So I'll open settings, and before checking anything, I'll set the language to English so that we can understand what's going on. Okay, so it should be in English now, and we'll go into settings, and yeah, it looks like it has some touch issues there, and we'll just go to about, and as you can see, it's on iOS 8.1.3 and it's a 64 gigabyte version that I've already mentioned, so that is great. So what I'm going to do is to also check on the Touch ID functionality. So go into settings, go to Touch ID and passcode. There you can see the touch issues which the seller was talking about. So I'll add fingerprint. Okay, so as you can see, Touch ID is ready. I'll also set a passcode. I'll be back once I have did that. There we go. So passcode and Touch ID is set successfully. So I'll check Touch ID, and okay, it works immaculately. That's perfect. So there's not really much to say about this iPad really. This is gonna be one of my favorites, and I'm gonna fix up the screen when I have some money to do so. And I'll probably install some games like Leo's Fortune on this, or any childhood games that I have played in my childhood when I was like 4 or 5. So yeah, this was it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe to my channel. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys, and stay safe and peace.